In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to shoot 360 panoramic photos with the DJI Mavic 3. Let's jump into it. Okay guys, so I have the drone up in the air right now. I can see it right in front of me, and I've got the DJI Fly App open, obviously. So what you do to access Pano Mode is you go to the box right here, right above the shutter button or the record button, depending on which mode you're in. You tap on that and you will see a Pano option at the bottom. If you're up toward the top, you won't see it, so you'll have to scroll down. Select Pano, and in here you will be able to choose which type of pano you want to take. So there are spheres, there's 180 degrees, there's wide angle, and there's vertical. So for the sake of this video, we're gonna go with the sphere, and you will see the sphere indicated right there above the start button. And now we're gonna choose format. So right here it says format. If I tap on that, we can actually do a raw pano. So the output is JPEG, but the original photos that you'll get that you can later stitch together will be raw photos. That's important. You also have the option to turn this off. So if you don't want any of the original photos, you don't have to save that. You can just have the version that the drone will create for you, which is a JPEG. You can also set the exposure value, and you will see the storage there as well. But let's get started. So what you do is you just press start. It'll say please stay still to ensure the best quality. And one thing I'm noticing right off the bat is that this is a lot faster than the DJI Mavic 2. So as you can see, the drone literally just stays stationary and it moves itself up, middle, and then down, and does a series of like 3 photos in all different directions, and that is how you create a sphere panoramic photo. So after it's done completing the panoramic images, you want to give it a couple seconds to process. So as you can see, it's all done. So if I go to the play button here, and there you go. As you can see, the preview is indicated with that same sphere logo in the left-hand corner, lower left-hand corner. And if I tap on that, it'll actually load the image, and there it is. And now I can zoom in on it. Quality is kind of a little off just because it's a preview of it on your phone. But yeah, that's really cool. And then what you can do is you can actually save this to your camera roll by hitting the box with the arrow in it. And it'll actually save the file to your phone's camera roll. And really, that is how simple and easy it is to capture a panoramic photo with the DJI Mavic 3. If this video helped you out at all, definitely hit the subscribe button and notification bell. And also please be sure to give this video a thumbs up, as it'll help it rank higher in the algorithm. But until next time, I'll see you guys in the next video.